What's up guys, my name is James and you are watching YC James vlog. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna be doing something different. Vlog I'm right now in studio, Brother Million studio because so I'm putting film and I'm gonna be doing something new, and that is I'm gonna be unboxing my new laptop, bro. Nan Amazon order to bune ko Asus TUF Gaming F15 ne laptop se aduga punchi gi aha mane nga chagi laptop ama direct leisure ko, and I'm very much excited. Ayu amu udri ba mudung je. And yeah, first of all I want to say thank you to my mom and dad for helping me upgrading my equipment. They really helped me a lot, and yeah, thank you so much mom and dad. And yeah, let's do it, bro. Let's start this video by opening.
Now let's open the box and see. So when we just open the box, we have this main laptop which worth 70,000 with all the extra accessories, and it also comes with some stickers. Below the laptop compartment, we have this power adapter and this power cord. Now let me tell some specification of this laptop. So the laptop comes with i5 10th generation GTX 1650 with Ti, and a storage of 512GB SSD and 8GB of RAM. Display with 144Hz and a keyboard with RGB lights. By the way, bro army, all the product links are in the description if you want to check it out. And this is it from this video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, keep chilling, keep enjoying, and do not forget to subscribe, bro. It's free.